Hello student, in last lecture I am discussing with you nomenclature and structure of amines. Then today I am discussing with you methods of preparation of amines. There are four methods of preparation of amines. First method from alkyl halide by ammonolysis. Then second method by reduction of nitriles or cyanides. Then third one is from unsubstituted amides. This method is called as the Hofmann degradation method. And fourth one is Grabiel synthesis from phthalimide. Then these four methods are preparation of amines. Then I am discussing with one by one. First method of preparation of amine is from alkyl halide by ammonolysis. Then first we study here what is meant by ammonolysis. Ammonolysis means when an aqueous or alcoholic solution of ammonia is heated with an alkyl halide at 100 degrees centigrade in a sealed tube. All three types of amines along with quaternary ammonium salt are formed. This process is known as ammonolysis. If excess of ammonia is used, I am showing here one reaction. Reaction number first, alkyl halide, that is the ethyl iodide, react with excess of ammonia. Then main product is the primary amine, that is the ethylamine. While with excess of alkyl halide, I am showing here reaction number second, excess of alkyl halide, that excess of ethyl iodide, react with alcoholic or aqueous solution of ammonia at 100 degrees centigrade. Then main product is the triethylamine, that is the tertiary amines. In this process ammonolysis, we first see the reaction. Ethyl iodide C2H5I react with excess of aqueous or alcoholic solution of ammonia and heated at 100 degrees centigrade. Then formation of ethylamine, here H from ammonia and I from ethyl iodide release in the form of HI molecule, and formation of here C2H5I attached to the NH2, formation of a ethylamine. Ethylamine is the example of a primary amine. Means when we use excess of ammonia, then formation of primary amine, and when we use excess of alkyl halide, then formation of a tertiary amine. Then we study here second reaction, alkyl halide, that is the ethyl iodide, react with again aqueous or alcoholic solution of ammonia at 100 degrees centigrade. Here we use ethyl iodide excess quantity, therefore formation of C2H5 thrice N triethyl amine by release of HI. Triethylamine is the example of a tertiary amines. Means we use excess of ammonia, formation of primary amine. If we use excess of alkyl halide, that is ethyl iodide, formation of a tertiary amine. This is the first preparation method, that is the ammonolysis from alkyl halide. Then second reaction, preparation of amines, is by reduction of nitriles or cyanides. Cyanide group C triple bond N, this is the cyanide. In this method, reduction means addition of hydrogen. Here addition always takes place at double bond or triple bond. Therefore methyl cyanide, here 4 hydrogen atoms add in presence of reagent lithium aluminum tetrahydride LiAlH4. This is the reducing agent. Then methyl cyanide undergoes reduction in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, formation of ethyl amine. Here out of 4 hydrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atom attached to the carbon atom converted to the CH2, and remaining 2 hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen converted to the NH2. Therefore ethyl cyanide undergoes reduction in presence of lithium aluminum hydride, formation of a ethyl amine. This is the second method of preparation of amine. that is reduction of nitrites or cyanide, formation of a ethylamine. Ethylamine is the primary amine. This is the second method for the preparation of amine. Then third one method is from substituted amide. And this method is also called as the Hofmann degradation method. From substituted amide, that is the Hofmann degradation method. In this method, primary amine form with one carbon atom less from starting material. Therefore, I am taking here general reaction. This is the very convenient method for the preparation of a primary amines. When acid amides containing up to 6 carbon atoms are treated with bromine and caustic potash, primary amines with one carbon atom less are formed. Here general reaction RCONH2 is the amide. CONH2 group is called as the amide. R is the N-alkyl group. Therefore, RCONH2 plus Br2 bromine molecule plus KOH, formation of here primary amine, that is RNH2. Here RCONH2 converted to the RNH2 with less number of the carbon atom by releasing two molecules of KBr, here K2CO3 and water molecule. Then I am taking here example acetamide. This is the amide from acetic acid. Therefore, acetamide react with Br2 plus KOH, formation of methyl amine. Here acetamide containing two carbon atoms, but methyl amine here one carbon atom, means product is formed by one carbon atom less, or primary amine is the product of Hofmann degradation reaction. Then acetamide react with Br2 plus KOH. Here Br2 and KOH, formation of hypoamide, and methyl amine form primary amine plus two molecules of KBr plus K2CO3 plus water molecule. This is the byproduct of this Hofmann degradation reaction. Means major characteristic of Hofmann degradation reaction is the formation of primary amine with less number of carbon atom of starting material. Then reaction number 4, or preparation method of 4. This method is known as the Grabiel synthesis from phthalimide. Here phthalimide is formed from urea and phthalic acid. Therefore, phthalimide first converted into potassium phthalimide. Phthalimide is first converted into potassium phthalimide by treatment with KOH. Then potassium phthalimide, when heated with alkyl halide, gives N-alkyl phthalimide, and N-alkyl phthalimide, which on hydrolysis with 20% HCl under pressure, forms primary amine. This is the Grabiel synthesis method. I am showing the reaction of Grabiel synthesis method. Here phthalimide, how phthalimide is formed? Phthalic acid, benzene containing 2 COH group react with urea NH2 CONH2. Then formation of phthalimide. Then phthalimide react with KOH, formation of here potassium phthalimide. Here in case of phthalimide, NH, H is replaced by K, and formation of a potassium phthalimide, and OH from KOH and H from phthalimide group released in the form of a water molecule. Therefore, phthalimide react with KOH, formation of a potassium phthalimide. Then this potassium phthalimide again react with alkyl halide, RX alkyl halide. Here K from potassium phthalimide and X from alkyl halide released in the form of KX potassium halide, and formation of here in potassium phthalimide, K is replaced by a alkyl group. Therefore, formation of alkyl group attached to the nitrogen atom. Therefore, formation of N-alkyl thaliamide. Means potassium thaliamide react with alkyl halide. Here releasing potassium halide, R is attached to the nitrogen atom and formation of a N-alkyl thaliamide. Then N-alkyl thaliamide undergoes hydrolysis in presence of 20% HCl and under pressure. Hydrolysis means addition of water molecule. Here for hydrolysis requirement 2 water molecule. I am showing here bond breaking like this. CON, one molecule of hydrolysis. Therefore one COOH and another here I am showing here COOH, that is 2 hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen, released in the form of a ammonia and formation of a phthalic acid. Phthalic acid plus RNH2, that is the primary amine. Here R N H N and here H is present. Therefore 2 hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen atom, formation of a primary amine, and byproduct is the phthalic acid. Our major product is the, we study here preparation of amine. Therefore thaliamide is the byproduct and RNH2 is the primary amines. Means this is the Grabiel synthesis. In case of Grabiel synthesis, starting material is the thaliamide. Then thaliamide react with KOH, formation of potassium thaliamide. Then potassium thaliamide react with alkyl halide, formation of N-alkyl thaliamide. N-alkyl thaliamide react with 20% HCl under pressure. Then this N-alkyl thaliamide hydrolyze, converted to the phthalic acid and primary amine. Then these 4 are the methods of preparation of amines. First from alkyl halide by ammonolysis, second one by reduction of nitrile, third one from unsubstituted amide, and fourth one is the by Grabiel synthesis from thaliamide. These are the 4 methods of preparation of amines. Thank you for listening.